from AI video and the image generation to OpenClaw and everything all together, including new GPUs, old GPUs. Why did they went with RTX slim cards? That's a good example. And right here at the back, we have new DDR5, DDR4 modules, RGB, low profile, and of course, at the bottom, and I'll show you quite soon, a new SSD with Gen 5, 8 terabytes, and so on and so on. So let's go inside PNY at Computex 2026. PNY arrives at Computex 2026 with one of its most diverse showcases to date, covering everything from gaming GPUs and liquid-cooled flagship graphic cards to enterprise AI infrastructure, memory solutions, and real-time AI demonstration platforms. The booth is structured around a clear idea, connecting high-performance gaming hardware with professional compute and AI workloads, all powered by NVIDIA's latest GPU architecture. So at the core of the gaming section, PNY highlights its latest GeForce RTX 50 series lineup, including its compact and performance-focused dual-slot designs from the PNY Slim series. These cards are designed to maximize compatibility in high-end enthusiast systems, offering a more compact footprint without sacrificing cooling performance or power delivery efficiency. The emphasis here is clear: high-performance GPUs that can still fit into dense multi-component builds and small form factor systems. Alongside these, PNY introduces one of its most advanced cooling implementations to date, the GeForce RTX 5090 all-in-one liquid cooling graphic card. This model uses a full-cover water block solution developed in collaboration with Link Plus, covering not only the GPU die, but also memory and VRM components. The result is a fully integrated liquid cooling system designed for sustained high-load performance, especially in workloads that combine gaming, rendering, and AI acceleration. It is positioned as a flagship solution for users who want maximum RTX 5090 performance without relying on traditional air-cooled thermal constraints. Moving deeper into the booth, PNY shifts from hardware presentation into a live demonstration focused on AI acceleration, content creation, and gaming workloads. One of the key gaming showcases is Forza Horizon 6, running with NVIDIA DLSS multi-frame generation enabled on RTX 50 series GPUs. This demo focuses on showing how next-generation frame generation and AI upscaling techniques can dramatically increase perceived frame rates while maintaining high visual fidelity in large open-world environments. It's essentially a real-world stress test of gaming performance at scale. Next is ComfyUI image-to-video generation, where PNY demonstrates local AI video creation workflows running entirely on RTX GPUs. Here, users can convert static images into short-form video using AI models accelerated by CUDA cores and tensor processing. The focus is on local processing, meaning no cloud dependency, allowing creators to generate high-quality media directly on workstation-class GPUs. Another major highlight is the OpenClaw running on GeForce RTX GPUs, showcasing a locally deployed AI agent system. This demo highlights how an AI assistant can manage files, execute tasks, and automate workflows directly on a local system, leveraging GPU acceleration for low latency performance. The emphasis here is on privacy, speed, and offline AI capability, showing how generative AI can move from cloud services to personal hardware. Now, beyond gaming and content creation, PNY also expands its enterprise and data center workloads with NVIDIA-based professional platforms. One of the central demonstrations is multi-instance GPU partitioning using the RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Workstation Edition. A single GPU is split into multiple isolated environments using NVIDIA MIG technology, allowing up to 4 independent workloads to run simultaneously. These can span across both Windows and Linux environments, effectively turning one high-end GPU into a multi-user compute platform for AI development and enterprise workloads. PNY also showcases NVIDIA DGX Spark with Nemotron 3 Nano, demonstrating real-time AI inference running locally on compact DGX hardware. The system is used to execute reasoning-based language model tasks with built-in tool calling and structured output generation. One of the more advanced sections of the booth is the AI Factory Digital Twin demonstration, built on NVIDIA Omniverse and RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Server Edition hardware. This simulation replicates a full-scale AI production environment, showing how data flows through AI pipelines, compute clusters and rendering nodes in a virtualized factory layout. It demonstrates how enterprise AI infrastructure can be visualized, monitored, and optimized in real time using digital twin technology, bridging the gap between physical data center infrastructure and simulated driven management. Alongside GPUs and AI demonstrations, PNY also highlights its broader portfolio of DDR5 memory, RDIMM modules, and enterprise-grade SSD storage solutions. These are positioned for workloads including virtualization, AI training, cloud computing, and data-intensive enterprise environments. The focus is on reliability and sustained throughput, rather than consumer-level peak performance, supporting long-duration compute workloads that require stable memory bandwidth and high-endurance storage systems. PNY also includes next-generation USB flash storage and memory card solutions aimed at both professionals and general users, rounding out a storage ecosystem with portable high-speed solution. So across the entire showcase, PNY positions itself as a bridge between gaming performance hardware and enterprise AI infrastructure. On one side, you have high-end RTX 50 series gaming GPUs and liquid-cooled flagship designs built for enthusiast systems. On the other, you have an RTX Pro and DGX-based platforms powering AI development, multi-user compute environments, and digital twin simulations. The common thread across all of this is pretty clear. GPU acceleration as the foundation for everything: gaming, creation, AI, and enterprise computing. That completes basically the PNY's Computex 2026 showcase overview. Thanks for sticking by. See you in another one.